Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to install drivers on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install drivers on your Windows 11 desktop or laptop, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on your start menu, then type here settings, click on settings. Guys, in left section you can see Windows Update. Just click on that Windows Update. Click on Advanced option. Guys, below you can see here additional option. Under that you will find optional update. Just click on that. First option you can see driver update. Just click on that. Here you can see the driver list which you have to do the update from here. Just tick mark this option one by one. After selecting all that, click on download and install. Before clicking download and install, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click download and install. After that, all your drivers will be updated from here. That's it, guys. So in this way you can install drivers on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.